Trump administration halts enforcement of Biden-era farm work labor rule amid legal disputes. In a move reflecting the administration's broader pivot on labor and immigration policy, President Donald Trump's Department of Labor announced on Friday the immediate suspension of a key framework protection rule institute under Biden administration. The regulation introduced in early 2024 aimed to strengthen labor protection for seasonal agricultural workers entering the United States of H-2A visas, particularly in regard to workplace organizing rights. The Trump administration labeled the measure burdensome and asserted that the legal landscape surrounding the rule has become uneatable due to ongoing federal injunction. The decision provides much needed clarity for American farmers navigating the H-2A program, the Labor Department said in a formal statement. It also aligns with President Trump's ongoing commitment to strictly enforcing U.S. immigration law. The department clarified through a field assistance bulletin that enforcement of the final rule would be suspended indefinitely, citing significant legal ambiguities and operational disruptions triggered by multiple court challenges. The H-2A visa program enables U.S. agricultural employers to hire foreign seasonal workers where no domestic labor is available. The program has expanded substantially in the last decade, with the Labor Department certifying nearly 378,000 H-2A positions in 2023, a threefold increase since 2014. These workers now comprise approximately 20% of American agricultural workforce, according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Supporters of now suspended rule argue it was a necessary safeguard against exploitation and retaliation in a sector heavily reliant on vulnerable migrant labor. However, agricultural lobbyists and many farmers expressed concerns over its complexity and cost, especially amid rising legal challenges and cast uncertainty over compliance expectation. President Trump's broader immigration crackdown has raised concerns across labor-intensive industries such as farming and hospitality. Acknowledged potential disruption, Trump stated last week that his administration would soon introduce measures to mitigate the impact of stricter immigration enforcement on sectors heavily dependent on migrant labor.